Local hospitals in Mobile are also taking steps to prevent the spread of the flu, some even handing out masks to patients and barring some people from visiting. Fox 10 News reporter April Douglas has that story.
People checking into a hospital go there to get better, not worse. With the flu flying around, Providence Hospital is taking steps to keep the virus from spreading on its campus. Ann Doss has spent 25 years in healthcare. She's the director of infection prevention. She says the key is to identify patients with flu-like symptoms.
Put a surgical mask on that patient if possible. And we're in a great time right now because 10 years ago, if we had asked a patient to put a surgical mask on, they would be very offended. And now it's the expectation. If we don't put the mask on, then we're not following the standard of care.
Patients who can't put on a mask or refuse to are kept separate from everyone else. Doss says staff members have been given pandemic flu handbooks and encouraged to stay home when they're sick.
Even before the flu started popping up in places, Providence had hand sanitizers like this at most entrances. Well, now they've added even more.
A hand sanitizer is stationed outside of rooms, inside of rooms, and it decorates most hallways. Extreme steps to keep people under a certain age from visiting the hospital aren't in place, unlike at USA Children's and Women's, where that step has been taken to protect one of the most vulnerable groups, the babies in the neonatal intensive care unit. No one under 14 is allowed at this time.
So if we have someone that presents with flu-like symptoms, then we should treat them, like they have swine flu.
Doss says those steps will ensure that everyone leaving her hospital is healthier than when they came in. In Mobile, April Douglas, Fox 10 News.
Spring Hill Medical Center mandates that all patients who cough wear a mask. It's also isolating all flu patients.